This is the input file. Input field is a 4 field. You can assume that the 4 field is the from your source file. There are the 4 fields of fund code, fund name, and the portfolio extract and alba code. So there is a given the length. Okay, these are the 4
Okay.
fields coming from the input file. Okay, the
Okay.
output file manipulation. How do we do deal with that? So we have to add one more field, extra field, dealer code. Okay, dealer code. The length should be 6 something. Okay, the
Okay.
ODP TCA like that some value. Then
Mm-hmm.
fund code we are pulling from the input field. Okay.
Okay.
Then
Yeah.
then reference number we need to fill the 9 times 0. Okay,
Okay.
we have to insert in middle. Okay, so this is just a sample. You can reuse the same logic and you will fulfill that. Okay, then
Okay.
fund name we can get it from that input file. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
filler one we are inserting in the middle 0. One length is 1. Okay, now
Okay.
alba code we are getting it from the input file. So the thing is now there are the 4 field which is coming from the input file, but only we need to populate 3 field only here. So some
Okay.
other beginning field or middle field we need to insert some other field. So the fund code and fund name, then alba code. These 3 field we are passing into the output file. So
Okay.
we are ignoring this field. Okay, for the testing purpose. So then
Mm-hmm.
dealer code and reference number, filler 1, filler 2, right? This is filler 2.
Yeah.
So these are the additional field we need to derive in our output file.
Okay.
Okay. So let me go again. Okay, this is the sample file. Okay, so this is the getter. You can assume anything. This is like some getter record. So
Okay.
this is the fixed width file as per your input file. Okay, fixed width file. So
Yeah.
you know like this is a field width, right? The 4 field is coming.
Yeah.
Copy this one. Okay, so you can get it right now. Okay. So basically, there are 4 field is coming. This is the data for that. The first record is header record. Okay. So
Okay.
the field with right, the first field function, the first fund code is the first two digit, first two number of digits is 2. I think
Okay.
length is 2. Okay. Then fund name length is 3. The fund name is a triple 1.
Yeah.
Okay. Then portfolio extract is a 3. KLE is the portfolio extract. You can assume
Okay.
that. Then alba code, right? Alba code we need to the number of digit 4. So there are the multiple records for the same scenario for all 4 field. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So right now, what are you going to do? This is awk command. Okay. This is awk command. -v for the variable.
Okay.
So -v for variable. You can dealer code equal to you need to assign the value here.
Okay.
Then -variable reference number, whatever reference number you can add in here. Okay. Then
Okay.
filler equal to 0 like that. Then
Mm-hmm.
this everything variable field width, right? Field width is this is the input file field width. The 4
Okay.
field is coming 2 3 3 4 combination, right? 2 3 3 combination.
Yeah.
For the some additional field derivation, you have to manipulate here. Okay. So the output, this is output field specification. This is also one of the variable. Output field
Okay.
specification mean, so this is the fixed width file. There is no any comma separated, right?
Yeah.
We will apply the length. So after 2, length after 2, it will be inserting the comma. After 3, you will be inserting the comma. So for the field separation for the field separation perspective, we are adding this logic, output field specification. Because
Okay.
your out filler, like now 1 digit 0 values.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
And also $4. $4 nothing between this one, alba code. You are ignoring this field.
Yeah.
You didn't print any $3. So $4 comma filler. So right now
Okay.
I am going to run this statement, only run this statement. And for this, okay, 1 second. This is the file. Okay, this is the variable, everything is a variable.
Okay.
This output field, then printing the statement, whole parameter. This final is a file name.
Okay.
So run that. So everything converting, right? Except the first
Yeah.
record, except the first record. First record is a header record, so it's not properly converting. Otherwise, everything is converting properly.
Yeah.
So like the first value is OPTCA, then fund code first 2-digit AA, right?
Yeah.
Then this is the 9-digit number. Reference number is a 9-digit number. The output field.
Okay.
Then
Yeah.
fund name is a 3-digit.
Mm-hmm.
Then filler value is a 0 and Alba code, right? Alba code is the 4-digit. Then finally one more pillar. We are adding one more pillar. We added one more pillar. Okay. So this is
Yeah.
then what can you do? You need to remove the first record. Header record is not necessary, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah. So once what can you do after pipeline? Pipeline symbol, nothing between. This output will be copying into this next command. Okay.
Okay.
This command if number of rows not equal to 1. So it will be ignoring the first row. Okay. Then print the
Okay.
statement. So ignoring the first row, then the data will be copying into the file2.txt, another new file.
Okay.
So right now, okay, done. So then you can print the file2.txt. So the first record is removed, right?
Yeah.
So okay, then first record is removed. Then you need to insert the header record, right? So the
Mm-hmm.
header
Yes.
record is nothing between this one. The first column is a dealer code, second column is a fund code, third column is a reference number, fourth is a fund name, fifth is a filler 1, and sixth is a Alba code, and seventh is a filler 2. There are the 7 columns in the final output file, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. This is the set -i. -i means permanently changing the file.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, one I means the first line. 1 for 1, insert, I for insert. Then you are
Okay.
inserting the entire column, all the columns. And then
Okay, bro.
then you can cat to txt. Then this is the final output, right?
Yeah. Yes, bro.
Okay. So this is the logic for your use case. Okay. You can implement
Okay.
accordingly. I will copy. But anyway, you're recording anyway. I will copy and send in one notepad, right?
Yeah. Okay, bro.
Notepad plus. Then
One
open
moment.
yeah.
Yeah, I will open it.
Yes.